Every samosa begins far from the factory floor. Precision harvesting ensures flour of consistent quality. From field to transport in minutes. The heart of the filling begins underground. Only firm, mature potatoes move forward. Layer by layer, flavor is prepared. Heat is measured long before mixing. Spices carry tradition in every grain. Raw harvest meets industrial precision. Purity defines the dough. Purity defines the dough. Pressure transforms grain into silk.
Measured and sealed for the next journey.
The road to mass production begins now. Distance compresses as industry awakens.
Every ingredient enters through controlled precision.
Accuracy begins before unloading. The factory breathes in its raw materials. Foundation first, flour defines structure. Freshness meets sanitation. Flavor is guarded like gold. Control preserves consistency. Trust begins with testing. Flow is continuous and deliberate. Dirt disappears under industrial force. The line comes alive. Preparation transitions into transformation. Preparation transitions into transformation. Automation sharpens human judgment. Surface stripped, core preserved. Final human precision before automation.
Almost done with this batch. Yeah, ready for the cutter.
Uniformity ensures even cooking. Sharpness becomes sweetness under heat. Controlled heat is engineered. Fragrance awakens the factory air. Separate elements become one.
Flavor is standardized at scale.
Flavor is standardized at scale. Cooling stabilizes texture. Structure begins with measured flour. Hydration transforms powder into pliability. Thickness determines crispness. Consistency in every gram. Symmetry ensures even frying. Heat awaits. Crispness is forged in seconds. Excess removed, texture preserved. Stability before packaging. Automation speeds repetition.
Freshness locked inside.
Protection for transit. Secured for distribution. Uniform stacking maximizes space. Stability during movement. Awaiting dispatch. Final transfer begins. Prepared for long-distance delivery.
Security verified.
From factory to market. Logistics connects demand to supply. Ready for consumers. Mass production meets individual choice.
The final crisp comes full circle.
From farm to flavor. Behind every bite lies precision. Scale defines modern production. Prepared for global routes. Distribution spans continents. The cycle continues daily.
And this is how modern factories produce samosas from start to finish.